Hey, just welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool episode right here, and basically what this is a corner protector. If you can see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand. And if you guys remember in the past, I reviewed a few other ones from this brand before. But this time we do have a similar product, but it is a different design. Let me actually open up to show you guys what I mean. So let's do open up. This is what the inside looks like. So for the one that we got right here, it does come in a pack of 12 of them, and they do have it available in many different sizes and different shapes. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But since all of them are the same, let me just take out one of them to show you guys what she looks like. Alright, so once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. And you see the design of the product is basically like a T-shaped design, which is slightly different than what we reviewed last time. The one that we reviewed last time didn't have this bottom part, it just had this coverage right here. But when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It does have like a silicone material on here to give you guys that protection. And it's actually very flexible as well. But here is basically what the product looks like from the outside. If you guys look at the inside, this is what the inside looks like. So pretty much for the inside, you guys can peel out the tape and stick this onto a corner wherever you guys do have a sharp end. And then once you guys do that, it will definitely give you guys the protection for your corner. So that way, if you guys actually do bump on it, you won't hurt yourself. And if you guys do have kids, they won't hurt themselves as well. And the fact that this corner protector is a clear design, it won't affect the look of your product too much. It definitely will stand out a little bit, but that is something you guys have to sacrifice for the protection and safety. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's go set this up to show you guys what the product looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's stick it on this side to show you guys what she looks like. So first thing I'm going to do is take out the tape inside. Once you guys take it out, you guys just stick it on right here. And just hold it for a few seconds. And once you guys do let go, that is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys do bump on here, you definitely have that protection built in. So that way it won't hurt yourself when you guys do bump on here by accident. Welcome back, guys. So now this quick test of product definitely actually does work, and should work quite well. If you can see, the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It's actually very easy and very simple. Once you guys peel out the tape and stick this wherever you guys want to, then you guys basically all set and it is protected. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for some high quality corner protector that also has like a similar T design like the one that we do have right here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.